Did you know that it's scientifically proven that the emotional pain of a breakup can feel just like physical pain? In fact, studies show that the same area of your brain that responds to physical hurt lights up when you experience emotional distress from a breakup. Now imagine if you could not only heal from this emotional pain, but turn it into one of the most powerful transformations of your life. What if I told you that you can walk away from heartbreak not only healed, but stronger, more resilient, and even wiser? Let's break down how you can do that. Breakups. They're some of the hardest experiences we face. The end of a relationship can feel like losing a part of yourself, and it's completely normal to feel overwhelmed, sad, and even lost. But what if this heartbreak didn't have to define you? What if, instead of staying stuck in pain, you could learn how to heal quickly and effectively? In this video, I'm going to share with you 8 powerful strategies to get over a breakup so you can not only heal, but thrive. These steps are designed to help you move forward with strength and clarity. So, whether you're in the middle of heartbreak or just looking for ways to heal, this video is for you. Number 1. Acknowledge the pain. Let yourself grieve. Healing begins with accepting the pain. Too often people try to suppress their emotions, thinking that avoiding grief will make them stronger. But grief is a natural response to the loss of a relationship. It's a process that must be honored for true healing to take place. Whether it's crying, feeling frustrated, or even going through periods of confusion, these emotions are signals from your mind and body that need to be expressed. Letting yourself grieve gives you permission to feel what you're going through without judgment. Allowing yourself this space will ultimately help you release the negative energy tied to the breakup. Give yourself time. There's no need to rush the healing process. Accept the sadness, and you'll find it easier to move forward once you fully process these feelings. 2. Cut the emotional cord. Disengage from your ex. It's incredibly tempting to stay connected to your ex after a breakup, whether it's through texting, social media, or mutual friends. But these actions only keep you emotionally tethered to someone who is no longer part of your life. Disengaging is one of the most important steps in the healing process. By removing reminders, whether it's unfollowing them on social media, deleting their number, or even putting away old gifts, you create the space needed for emotional recovery. Cutting off contact helps you break the cycle of obsession or the false hope that the relationship can somehow be revived. This physical and emotional separation is vital for regaining your mental clarity. Allowing yourself to disengage fully opens the door for you to reconnect with your life, your goals, and your future. 3. Prioritize self-care. Take care of your body and mind. Self-care isn't just about pampering yourself, it's a critical strategy for overcoming a breakup. After a breakup, your emotional well-being often takes the hardest hit. To heal, it's essential to nurture your body and mind. This includes eating nourishing meals, exercising regularly, and ensuring you get plenty of rest. When you take care of your physical health, it has a direct impact on your mental and emotional state. Exercise, for example, releases endorphins, chemicals in your brain that help boost your mood and relieve stress. Regular physical activity can also help distract your mind from the pain of the breakup and restore a sense of normalcy to your routine. Likewise, practicing mindfulness, meditation, or journaling helps you process your emotions, clear your mind, and gain a fresh perspective on the situation. Treat your body with the same level of care that you would give a close friend or loved one, and you'll begin to feel stronger and more centered with each passing day. 4. Reflect and learn. Understand what went wrong. It's tempting to focus solely on the pain and heartbreak after a breakup, but this moment provides an invaluable opportunity for personal growth. Reflect on the relationship with a clear mind and try to see it objectively. What did you learn about yourself during this relationship? What did it teach you about your needs, boundaries, and desires? It's crucial not to blame yourself for everything, but rather to see the breakup as a chance to grow and improve. Did certain patterns emerge during the relationship that you should be aware of moving forward? What could you have done differently, and what are you proud of? This reflection helps you learn from the experience and gain clarity on what you want in future relationships. By taking responsibility for your part, you'll free yourself from guilt and find peace in knowing that each relationship is a stepping stone to becoming a better version of yourself. 5. Rediscover yourself. Reconnect with your passions. Often in a relationship, you may have placed your partner's needs above your own. This can lead to neglecting your personal passions, hobbies, and interests. Post-breakup is the perfect time to rediscover those aspects of yourself that bring you joy and fulfillment. Take a step back and think about what you used to love doing before the relationship or what you've always wanted to try. Reconnect with activities that make you feel alive, whether it's reading, writing, painting, exercising, or even picking up a new hobby. Doing so helps you reconnect with your sense of identity outside of the relationship. This rediscovery process allows you to rebuild your confidence, shift your focus away from the past, and empower you to start afresh. 6. Establish healthy boundaries. Protect your energy. One of the most important yet difficult aspects of getting over a breakup is learning how to establish and maintain boundaries. You need to set boundaries not only with your ex, but also with the people around you. This includes deciding who you allow into your space, how you let others treat you, and how you manage your emotional energy. Boundaries can look different for everyone. For some, it might mean cutting off communication with an ex entirely. For others, it may mean setting limits on what you're willing to discuss with mutual friends. It's essential to protect your mental space by not allowing toxic or negative influences to drain you during this period. Boundaries are a sign of self-respect and allow you to heal without external pressures or distractions. 7. Seek support. Don't be afraid to reach out. No one expects you to go through a breakup alone. While healing is ultimately your responsibility, seeking support from trusted friends, family members, or even a therapist can be immensely helpful. Talking to someone who listens without judgment can provide emotional relief and offer fresh perspectives. Support systems are vital in helping you navigate difficult emotions, and they remind you that you're not alone. If you're struggling with deep feelings of loneliness or despair, consider speaking to a therapist or counselor who can guide you through the healing process with expertise. Don't hesitate to ask for help when you need it. No one is meant to heal in isolation. 8. Focus on the future. Embrace new possibilities. As much as it may hurt right now, this breakup is an opportunity for new beginnings. Your future is filled with endless possibilities, and it's important to shift your mindset toward what lies ahead. Take small steps each day to set new goals, whether it's focusing on your career, personal development, or new relationships. Start envisioning the life you want for yourself, and take actions to create it. Sometimes, the best way to get over the past is to focus on the excitement and potential of your future. Breakups are never easy, but with the right strategies, you can come out of this stronger and more resilient. Healing takes time, but by following these steps, you'll gradually regain control over your emotions and your life. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And if you're going through a tough time right now, remember, you're not alone, and better days are ahead.